Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tech Now. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ultimate build. This is a build that me and my friend Trevor set up the other day. This build consists of 4 Crosshair Vengeance 16GB 2x8GB sticks running at DDR3 2400 MHz. That's right, a total of 64GB of onboard RAM. For the hard drives, we're going to be going with 2 Western Digital 4TB hard drives, along with 2 150 840 Pro Series 2.5-inch 520GB SSD, giving you a total of 1 TB of SSDs. For the case, we're going to be using a Corsair Obsidian Series 900D. For the power supplies, we're going to be using 2 Corsair Professional Series 860W digital ATX EPS modular 80 Plus Platinum power supply. For the graphics cards, we're going to be using 4 GTX 780 Ti 3GB. We're going to run those all in SLI. For the CPU, we're going to be using an Intel i7-4960X Extreme Edition. And finally, for the motherboard, we're going to be using the Asus Rampage 4 Extreme Edition. This build will end up at a total of $7,316.99. And that pretty much concludes this overview of our Ultimate build. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, along with liking or disliking this video accordingly. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.